Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I got a question from one of my very first video on Valeton, which is on the foot switches. Someone was asking if you can use just one control knob or control button to turn off multiple effects. So when you like the gear icon, when you're doing your patch settings, I'm going to use the control tool for that. Usually that's what I use for my distortion overdrive pedal. So you realize in my signal chain, I'm going to make it toggle the amp and then the cab. So now that I've done that, you realize when I press the control button, you realize it turns on the amp and then turns on the cab. Again, when I press it again to activate the distortion channel, you realize it turns on the precise OD. Let me record a very small portion. So I'm just switching my pickup. And then when we try it again, realize still have a So there you have it. So this is how to go about it. You just have to use the control knob, turn on and off the ones that toggle the ones that you want. You can turn almost everything, you can toggle everything that's on there with just one button. If that is what you need, you realize a lot of things has changed all of a sudden. So just play around with this and then see how it works for you. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe for more validating videos. See you next time.